Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Friday, January 16th, ahead of the holiday weekend. Well, stocks got knocked down again yesterday, down 18.5 points in the E-mini S&P. 1989 was a close below the 2000 level. 1978 was a low to keep an eye on. Dow futures lost 82, 17,283, and the Nasdaq took the hit, down 56 at 4089. The low on the session there was 4066 to watch on a weekly basis. The dollar had surged. We talked about that yesterday morning with the action out of Switzerland. The high in the dollar yesterday was 93.30 to keep an eye on, closed at 92.61, up 26. The euro was all over the place, lows at 115.75, closed at 116.22, down 16, but did bounce as high as 117.97 after that action. The bond market surged as well, up 22 ticks at 150.03, and we had crude oil moving, got as high as 51.73, first time above the $50 level in 10 sessions, but it closed down at down 225 at 46.73. 48 was the close last Friday, so we'll look to see after making new lows this week whether it can close above or below the 48 level. And gold, the big winner, up another $30, the highest levels in gold since September. 1265 was the finish there. So after the action yesterday and the extreme volatility, where the market staying on this Friday ahead of the holiday? Well, we're down 9 in the S&P. We're pressing on those lows one more time at 1980. We're down 80 in the Dow futures, 17,203, and minus 33 at 4056 in the Nasdaq 100. The dollar somewhat steady, down 16 at 92.70, up 16, at 92.77. We've got the euro currency down 26, pressing on those lows one more time, 115.94. Bonds are surging one more time, up 19 at 150.21, pushing the yields down, and more down. 237 is the 30-year. That's 237 in the 30-year. And we're at 172, 1.72 in the highly watched 10-year note, significantly below that 2% pivot that we had kept an eye on. Crude oil is up $1.22 at 47.95, right near that 48 pivot that we talked about as last week's close, and gold's down $3 at 12.62. So to wrap up current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're negative once again, pressing on the lows in the stock indexes, down 9 in the S&P, down 80 in the Dow, and down 33 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.